A first alert weather day has been issued for this afternoon and evening as we are tracking the possibility for some downpours to be moving into the Midlands, which could lead to about 1 to 3 inches of rain before it finally all moves out of the area heading into early tomorrow morning. And so with all that rain falling in a relatively short period of time, we could be looking at the possibility for some localized flooding and maybe some ponding on the roadways as you're waking up tomorrow morning to maybe head off to some of those Sunday services. So do keep that in mind as we are looking at some pretty hefty showers moving in, especially through the second half of today. So again, first alert weather days for this afternoon and this evening as that heavy rain will be pushing into the Midlands. Also, we are talking some cooler, drearier conditions. Temperatures going to be stuck in the mid 50s throughout much of today with some very gusty winds. Later on, maybe up to 35 miles per hour. We'll drop down to 43 tonight with those rain showers still falling. And then tomorrow, we're looking at some chilly showers. Temperatures stuck in the 40s with some lingering light rain likely throughout much of the afternoon before finally some drier conditions return heading into next week. Satellite and radar does show some light showers across eastern portions of the Palmetto State. That does include Orangeburg, Sumter, Manning, up towards the Florence area. But here in the capital city, you can see we're getting a little bit of a break in the rain now, just dealing with the cloudy, dreary conditions and those cool, breezy winds as we get this day started. Big picture, though, still shows plenty of moisture off to our south. Here's our low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico that will be sending all this rain across Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, and into Georgia our way later on today. So that's why we are expecting those heavier showers later on this afternoon. So your day planner looks like this for the next 10 hours. Temperatures just pretty much holding steady in those mid 50s. Lots of clouds with us, but we are dry at least through about noon, 1 o'clock with maybe just a few sprinkles. The real rain looks to arrive as we get past 2 p.m. So again, if you need to get some things done outside or just want to run some errands and not have to deal with the rain, between now and 1 p.m. is the time to do that. So Futurecast also shows that just relatively cloudy, but it is breezy with those easterly winds gusting to 25 to 30 miles per hour. As we get into the late afternoon and especially by dinner time, this is when we're expecting those heavier showers to move in across a good portion of the area, continuing through at least 10, 11 o'clock this evening with some of those gustier showers moving in with those breezy conditions. We'll get a little bit of a break tomorrow morning, but then could get some chillier showers through the afternoon before finally drier conditions return and then sunshine heading into our Monday, finally allowing things to dry out. But we are still looking at some significant rain. It has come down a good bit compared to what it has been saying, but still 1 to 2 inches across much of the area is still expected later on today and into tomorrow. So first alert weather day with that 100% chance for some heavy rain, 55 degrees, some chilly showers tomorrow, 48, sunshine and warmer for your Monday and Tuesday back into the mid 60s, 70s Wednesday and Thursday with our next chance for rain getting here on Friday, bringing cooler conditions by next weekend.